Hi everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Valentine's Day heart wreath. So for this project you are going to need one metal heart frame from Dollar Tree, a glue gun, glue sticks, wire cutters, and I picked up 2 bunches of the red roses from Michael's. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting each rose off of all the stems. I'm keeping the leaves on, so I'm just doing it like that, keeping the leaves on, and then a little bit of the wire. I'm going to cut every single rose off of the bunches like this. So when you have all of your roses cut off of the bunch, then what you're going to start doing is you are going to start gluing them onto the metal heart frame. So I started at the bottom with one red rose right in the middle at the bottom, and I glued it, as you can see, with the leaves, and then with the stem part right there in the middle. I secured it very well with the hot glue. Then I went up the frame on the outside ring, and I just glued them as I kept going up on both sides. So you can see on the back that I glued the stem to the outer ring of the heart. I did that around the whole entire thing till it was done. Now I didn't have enough roses to do the inner ring, so what I decided to do was I had this, that's what it looks like from the back. It would look real pretty if it was all filled in with all roses nice and full, but I didn't have enough. So what I decided to do was I had this rickrack, and it's felt, but they were all joined together, so I just cut each heart out. I cut them apart, and then I started gluing them to the inner metal ring just to cover it up. I didn't want that to be showing. So I actually took the hearts and right in the middle put a line of glue and then stuck that on the inside metal heart. So I did that all the way around to the bottom. As you can see, I just went around and did it all the way down on both sides until the whole entire inner ring was covered. I had to do a voiceover with just pictures because I had no room on my SD card for a video. So that's why it's pictures with a voiceover. I found that nice red heart ornaments at Michael's. They came 15 to a package. So what I decided to do was get a piece of wire, floral wire, and I tied it to the ornament, and then I actually tied the other end to that middle inner circle where the middle felt heart is, the red heart, you'll see, so that it just hangs directly in the middle of the wreath. So there it is on my French doors in my house. You really can't see it that well. So I took it off. I put it on my curtain to see how it would look on my curtain, but that picture wasn't coming out that well either. That one's a little bit better, but I think it looks real pretty. I want to add a bow to the top still. But as you can see, it came out really pretty. And it took no time at all to make. It was very easy and maybe cost about $7 total to make. That was with all the flowers and with the ring and with everything else. Yeah, so here it is. I decided to hang it on my wall, and you can see it a lot better. I think it came out very pretty. I don't even think it needs a bow, but if you'd like to add a bow to yours, you can. And it was very simple. And I want to thank everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Please share the video. And I would like everybody to have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.